So here's the thing. Most trading bots don't even survive 6 months. Think about it. Remember CryptoHopper's AI strategy packs that fizzled out after a few months? Or those 3 commas marketplace bots that started strong but couldn't adapt once the market changed? Even Gunbot's plug-and-play strategies saw thousands of users abandon them in less than half a year. The truth is, most bots are built for short-term hype, not long-term consistency. But here's what makes Galileo FX different. While others collapse under market volatility, Galileo FX has been running strong for over 5 years. That's half a decade of real trading, adapting to every kind of market condition: bull runs, bear markets, and sideways chop, proving that it's built for traders who want more than just temporary hype. Today, I will show you why Galileo FX is still standing when most bots couldn't last past month 6. Let's dive in. Now, let's start with a reality check. Why do most trading bots and so-called automated systems fail so quickly? First, they are usually built for hype. They promise insane returns, like 1,000% in a month, guaranteed signals, or risk-free profits. That alone is a red flag. They attract a rush of users, but the moment the market shifts, whether it's a sharp correction, a sudden pump, or low volatility, the bot stops working, traders lose money, and the community disappears almost overnight. Scams and fragile bots collapse fast because they're not designed for adaptability. They don't evolve, they don't have developer support, and they don't have a real track record. That's why you see them die within weeks or months. This is exactly what separates Galileo FX from the rest. It hasn't just survived a few months. It's been consistently operating since 2020. And in the trading world, lasting that long is proof in itself. So let's talk about the longevity of Galileo FX itself. Launched in 2020, Galileo FX has now gone through multiple phases of the market: bull runs, bearish runs, sideways consolidations, and high volatility periods. Most bots shut down after one market cycle, but Galileo FX adapted and kept going. 5 years of consistent performance tells you 2 things. The software is actively maintained and upgraded. There's a real community using it, not just hype that vanishes after launch. If you think about it, 2020 to now includes the massive COVID-era volatility, the 2021 bull market, the brutal 2022 crash, and everything in between. Galileo FX has seen it all and is still standing. That's rare for any automated system, let alone a trading bot.
Now, let's talk proof, because claims mean nothing without evidence. First, Galileo FX was featured in Forbes. Think about that. Forbes doesn't cover random scam bots. If Forbes gives you attention, it's because you're a serious player in the space. Second, there are consistent user reviews. Not just 1 or 2 cherry-picked testimonials, but years of ongoing feedback. You'll find real traders posting their results, updates, and honest experiences. That level of transparency is something scams never deliver. And third, Galileo FX has an active forum and community. This is huge. Scams usually shut down their Telegram or Discord within months because people start complaining. Galileo FX, on the other hand, has kept its community alive for years, where traders discuss strategies, share results, and help each other. So when you put these 3 proof points together, Forbes coverage, consistent reviews, and an active community, you can see the difference between a fly-by-night scam and a legitimate trading tool that's actually being used long-term.
Galileo FX is a powerful trading bot that completely automates buying and selling in the markets, whether that's Forex, stocks, or even crypto. It connects seamlessly with popular platforms like MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. This bot offers a highly customizable trading experience, allowing users to fine-tune settings to suit their trading style. They can adjust stop-loss levels to fit their risk tolerance, ranging from tighter to wider stops. Additionally, users can control the risk factor per trade, deciding how much of their account balance to put on the line. This allows traders to choose a conservative 1% risk or push it higher for more aggressive growth. The bot adapts to users, ensuring they are in full control and not locked into a rigid system. you can actually run up to 4 different assets at once, all trading automatically on your screen. That flexibility is huge. You can go in and analyze results, swap strategies, or simply let them run long-term.
Take a look at one of their highlighted strategies. They achieved a jaw-dropping 2154% profit on XRP. And the best part? You can add this exact same strategy to your own Galileo FX setup. Most traders lose money. Good traders break even. But with the right bot and the right strategy, the results speak for themselves. Galileo FX even has a built-in strategy library where you can browse top-performing setups and instantly add them to your own system. On top of that, Galileo FX incorporates smart risk management. Think stop losses and take profits designed for favorable risk-to-reward ratios. This is why they've been able to show gains like 867.41%, 128.89%, and strategies currently trending up 277.47%, or even 133.19% in a year. And here's the truth. If you're not seeing numbers like these with manual trading, this bot could fill the gap. It's already boosted my own portfolio since I've been using it. But what if you're a beginner? That's where Galileo FX really shines.
The bot analyzes market trends and signals, then executes trades based on consecutive confirmations. That can mean capturing moves at stock market open, reacting to major events in crypto, or riding momentum when conditions align. Each strategy flags these opportunities, monitors activity, and enters trades at the optimal moment. Now, here's something I really respect about Galileo FX. It doesn't sugarcoat the risks. Scam bots love to promise guaranteed profits. They'll say things like, "You'll double your account in 30 days, risk-free." But that's never how real trading works. Galileo FX does the opposite. It clearly warns users that trading carries risk, that results vary, and that you can lose money. Why is this important? Because transparency is the opposite of a scam. Any system that openly talks about risk is being honest with its users. It means they're not trying to trick you with fake promises. They're trying to set realistic expectations. And in trading, that's exactly what you want. A tool that's honest, not a fantasy that will blow up your account. Most trading bots don't survive 6 months because they're built for hype and scams collapse fast. Galileo FX, on the other hand, has been running since 2020, proving itself across multiple market cycles. It's backed by real proof points, Forbes articles, consistent reviews, and an active forum. And instead of fake promises, it gives you clear risk warnings, which is exactly what honest trading looks like. That's why Galileo FX is still standing strong after 5 years when most bots can't even last 6 months. If you're interested in checking it out for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and let me know your thoughts in the comments.